Hi everybody, this is Sam with Python Basics, and we are going to do a video grouping on better than average. So let's just jump into it. So we're going to build upon what we've already done. We're going to build some list comprehensions, and we're going to use the random library, and we're going to import only what we need. So if you haven't seen how to import with from or just import, pause this, go search that, come back and watch this. So from random import rand int. So alright, what we're going to do is we're going to test better than average. So we're going to create a function that's going to create a class average group of grades and then your grades, and then we're going to run it through our test. So alright, we're going to do class grades equals your grades list. We're going to put these in lists. So alright, we're going to do list comprehension on randint. So alright, real quick reminder what randint does. So let's just run this so we don't have to do anything. Okay, help randint. So okay, random returns, so it's going to create it for us. And here's an important thing, both endpoints. So we can, oops, sorry about that. So we can get both endpoints here. Alright, so let's do our for loop. We just didn't want 10 grades, okay? For I in range 10. Close that out. And don't forget, list comprehension goes in front of. So what do we want to do? We want to take I and we want to create rand int. Let's just go 60 through 100. Boom. And we're just going to cheat. And we're just going to copy this and paste it. So okay. That is done there. So now we need to think about what our function is going to do. And let's just test to make sure that we did this. And also guys, just to make sure you are aware, we are doing a video a day, so make sure you're subscribing. Okay, cool. Alright, so we did this right. So actually, why don't we stop here? And I think we had a lot of success last time chopping this up so you don't have to go through. So we're going to pick up from here on next video. So make sure you're liking and subscribing, and most important, that notification bell, and any comments and video requests. So we'll pick up right where we left off. So thanks guys, and stay tuned.